Welcome. In this short guide, we'll show you how to start using Issue History for Jira app. Once installed, open it from Apps, Issue History. You'll see the table view in the app, which centralizes all the changes made to work items. First, set your filters. You can select the work items by project, sprint, JQL, assignee, reporter. Let's try the project filter. Choose the updater, any user, one specific user, or a few users. Then set a date range to narrow your timeline. For example, this month. Add additional columns to the table you want to check for changes. For example, due date and time spent. Save the view for future use. Share the report with your colleagues via email, or add it to Jira work item needed. Download the generated report with all the changes in Excel or CSV formats. Here, you can also activate Keep Deleted Work Items feature, which lets you easily track and restore deleted work items. Switch to Activity View to see all updates as a timeline. Using this view is a great way to track changes related to one or a few selected fields. Here, every change is displayed chronologically, so you can follow the full story of what happened in your Jira projects. You can use a field filter and choose the specific fields for tracking. Also, you can revert changes in bulk. Search changes by keywords. Download the generated report in Excel, CSV, or PDF format. Open the chart view to get a visual summary of your team's activity. You'll see graphs showing dynamic status updates, and you can export them as PNG, JPEG, PDF, or SVG. Check out the panel view inside each Jira work item. It displays the entire change history of that specific work item, including field updates, status transitions, and deleted comment details if tracking is enabled. Here you can also use the filters by date, updater, and field. panel view makes it simple to see who changed what and when without leaving the work item screen. You can download the work item change history in Excel, CSV, or PDF format. With the Activities gadget, you can bring issue history insights right to your Jira dashboard. Add the gadget, choose your project or filters, and you'll instantly see the latest activity across work items. It's an easy way to stay informed about project changes in real time, directly from your dashboard. That's it. You've seen the main feature of the Issue History for Jira app, which helps you track every change in your projects. Try Issue History for Jira for free now.